We now cannot build a term document matrix in a naive way. Why? There are two reasons. First, a 500k by 1m matrix has half a trillion zeros and ones, too many to fit in a computer's memory. But the crucial observation is that the matrix is extremely sparse, that is, it has few non-zero entries. Number one reason why we cannot build a term document matrix in a naive way is that number one, too many a 500k by 1m matrix has half a trillion zeros that are too many to fit in a computer's memory. But the second observation or second reason is that it has very few non-zero entries. It has only zero entries. It is extremely sparse. How? Remember, we said that our corpus size is 1 million, and a particular document the size of a particular document is around 1000. But we also said that it can range to 500,000 or more. So this is the document size. So if that is a document size, we our table, binary term document incidence matrix, that matrix will be of size, the document size multiplied by the corpus size. That means 500k into 1m or 1000 into 1m. So we have to choose one. Which will we choose? Suppose we have 1000 terms in a particular document, then it is okay to choose 1000. But if we have more than 1000 terms, suppose we have 500,000 terms, then we will choose 500,000 as a document size. So if we choose the document size as 500,000 terms, then we will create a matrix of 500,000 rows in it and 1m columns. So the order is 500k by 1m. That means a matrix of size half a trillion, 500 billion. The matrix size is 500 billion. But we created this matrix of size 500k times 1m, but we are not sure if how many terms a particular document on an average will contain. It may contain only 1000 terms. So that's why it is sparse. So how it is sparse? So these are the columns. These are the columns. The vertical, these are the columns. So these are the documents. We took 1 million documents. Suppose there are 1 million documents, and these are the rows, the horizontals. These are the rows. Here we will put our terms, the terms, and here are the documents. We will take all the documents, but we can't take all the terms because terms are just 1000 and we have taken 500k. There may be 500k terms, but we have chosen 500k as the term limit. But since there can be only 1000 terms, that's why this rectangle will look like this. So what is the fraction of this rectangle in this whole matrix? This rectangle, the length of this rectangle is 1 million, and the height of or the breadth of this rectangle is 1000. So the number of elements in it is equal to 1 million multiplied by 1000, that is 1 billion. So only 1 billion is actually of use. Only 1 billion ones and zeros or 1 billion elements are only of actually of use. These are the terms, these are the documents. Only 1 billion is actually of use. So what is a fraction? The fraction is 1 billion divided by 500 billion. The matrix size is 500 billion, and this is the fraction, and the percentage is multiplied by 100 is equal to billion billion cancelled, 100 cancelled, that is 1 by 5, and that is 0.2%. So this is only 0.2%. That means 99.8% of this matrix is empty. That is this matrix is really sparse. So one reason we cannot build this matrix in a naive way is that it is too many to fit in a computer's memory, and the second is that it is extremely sparse. Because each document is 1000 words long, the matrix has no more than 1 billion ones, so a minimum of 99.8% of the cells are zero. A much better representation is to record only the things that do occur, that is the one positions. Here we recorded everything, that here were the terms. Here are the terms, here are the documents, but only till here are actually the terms, and everything after that are null or nothing after that. Here are the documents. Suppose there are 1 million documents, and there are actually 1 million documents to be considered, but there are not enough terms, not 500,000 terms that we are taking. That means only these many are actually to be considered, but we are recording for everything. So why are we considering these? Why we have to record these? So a possible solution is to record only these things. So a much better representation is to record only the things that do occur, that is the one positions.